Not so fast. Watch where you're going, Coda. What are you doing? I know, but what are you riding on? With what?
With no strings. Now what?
That's all. Just be careful, be careful.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Don't go on that road. Oop, oop. You alright?
Yeah.
That's the way to keep your balance. Try not to go so fast, because if you fall, it's going to be a bad fall. Let's wait a couple of days before we go fast. This is just your first day. Coda? You're going too fast. You're scaring Mommy. The car. Watch where you're going. It's not coming down here.